probably show you just a little bit of what goes on here at the Maritime Center. This is our, I call it my outdoor area, and I bring my cart outside. This is my Seagull cart that I made up for hauling the seagulls backwards and forwards. I just find it a little bit easier having the Seagull tools, all the Whitworth things here, and also some interesting stuff for some of the bigger nuts and bolts. But anyway, we've got a little, I think it's a little 5-ton motor here, and it's one that I put together for a customer, and it's something that hasn't run before. It's got spark and it's got fresh gas. So other than that, has all the ingredients. So we have to count to 5 when we start a Seagull. So we turn on the air, that's 1, and we turn on the fuel, that's 2. We give it full choke, that's 3. We tiggle it, that's 4, and then we give it full throttle, and that's 5. So as long as you can count to 5, you can start a Seagull. Well, hopefully, well, we will see, but anyway, here we go. Sometimes they don't want to stop, and you just have to touch them a little bit. Anyway, I just thought you might enjoy the startup of a new motor that's been put together, assembled here at the center. And as I say, there's another go over here on the stand, on the rotating stand. And this is interesting. This came in the other day. It's a high compression head. It's got quite a different compression chamber inside there. And the propeller that came with the work says it's a 100p. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but we'll find out. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that.